Evernote versus Coda, two productivity giants with one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Evernote, your notes, organized and accessible. And on the right, Coda, the all-in-one doc for collaboration and project management. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's a quick mind map to show you all the categories we're going to hit: pricing, user ratings, features, implementation, integrations, and of course, use cases. Let's map this out nice and clear so you know exactly what's on the table. All right, let's kick it off with pricing. So Evernote, honestly, it's got a free plan, which, let's be real, is always nice. And the premium plan's pretty affordable, especially if you're not looking to break the bank. The catch, though, is that the free plan does come with some limits. You'll bump into those pretty quick if you're a power user. Now, flipping over to Coda, they pack a ton of features into their plans. And the templates are super customizable, which is cool. But the Pro plan? Yeah, it's a hefty $12 a month, which, definitely makes you think twice if you're just getting started. So overall, Evernote kind of takes the edge here for being budget-friendly without too many strings attached. Moving on to user ratings. Evernote's got that solid reputation. Most people seem pretty happy with it, especially when it comes to notes. But, you know, it's not really built for heavy document or project management. Now, Coda? Whoa, the community ratings are actually super high, and people love how you can manage documents and projects all in one spot. Not perfect for handwritten stuff or quick notes, but honestly, if reviews matter to you, Coda wins this round with its versatility and rave scores. Next up, features. And this is a juicy one. Evernote is epic for taking notes. Like, whether you're on your laptop, phone, it's seamless everywhere. Simple, efficient, cross-platform, you get the drill. But if you want to do some wild, complex document stuff, it can feel kind of limited. Now, check this. Coda is where the magic happens for features. You get complex tables, multi-layered docs, integrations all over the place. But fair warning, there's a bit of a learning curve, so don't expect to master it overnight. Still, for pure features, Coda kind of blows the doors off here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Evernote and Coda totally get cloud-based and mobile apps, so you can collaborate pretty much anywhere, anytime. That's real flexibility right there. All right, let's chat about implementation. Evernote, super easy. You sign up, you're taking notes, like, instantly. It's basically plug and play for most people, even if you're not the most tech-savvy. Downsides, it's not the most customizable thing ever. Now, with Coda, it's all about customization. You can tweak templates, go nuts with features, but honestly, it's a little more complicated. And it's also pricier to get set up if you want more advanced stuff. So for smooth sailing and quick onboarding, Evernote takes the win. Time for integrations! Evernote's been around and it hooks into a ton of other services. You want your workflows to play nice together? It's got you covered. That said, not every integration is perfectly seamless, but hey, the list is long. Coda, meanwhile, integrates like a champ with Google Sheets. If you're a spreadsheet nerd, that's a huge plus. But overall, it's got fewer options compared to Evernote. Bottom line, Evernote stretches further with integrations. Wrapping it up with use cases. Evernote shines hard for personal notes and research stuff. If you want to jot down ideas, save articles, or organize some thoughts, it's totally solid. But oh, try running a big project or collaboration with it? Not so much. Coda, on the other hand, is unbelievable for project management and collaborative docs. You build, assign, collaborate, and run stuff all from inside Coda. It's not super snappy for quick note-taking, but if working as a team is key for you, Coda comes out ahead here. If you check out the radar chart right now, you'll see Coda spikes on features, user ratings, and collaborative use cases, while Evernote scores high for implementation, pricing, and that insane integration list. It really puts their strengths side by side. So, if you want a note-taking sidekick with quick setup and plenty of integrations, Evernote is, honestly, hard to beat. But if you're hunting for an all-in-one powerhouse for collaborative projects and docs, Coda just brings more to the table. Depends on what you're after. Choose the right tool for your needs. Seriously, effortless note-taking, wild collaboration, whichever you pick, you'll be leveling up your workflow. Why not give them a spin and see which one feels right?